In today's video, guys, I want to show you how to rotate the image. Let's go straight to it. So the first thing that you need to do, just click Ctrl I just to open your first video track. Just take your image, then you put it straight to your timeline, just like that. Then you go straight to keyframe, go straight to filters, then you just add position. Then that's it. Just make sure when you add a position you have selected this, then you go straight to filters, then you add your size, rotate and position, just like that. Then you go straight to keyframes. Then from here you just I'll just size my image around 50. You don't have to do this. I just want my image to be very small. Then I'll go downwards, then where you see rotate, you just select that thing, then you go straight that time thing, then you go straight where you want it to spin 360 degrees. You just make sure is like that. Then from here it will spin again 360. What you have to do, just come straight here, then you just click S from there, then just delete this. You can just copy this one, Ctrl C, then Ctrl V. Then you can just duplicate this over and over again.